Hi viewers. The property I'm bringing you today is the most unique off-grid cabin tucked away in Minnesota that I had to dig deep to find. If you skip this video, you're going to regret it, because this isn't just a cabin, it's a story. This property sits in Brimson, Minnesota, in St. Louis County. And wait till you hear the backstory. This cabin was originally a vintage trailer, creatively rebuilt into a cozy, fully furnished Northwoods retreat. 12 acres of old-growth forest, complete privacy, and a design you simply won't find anywhere else. If you miss the inside tour of this cabin, you are going to regret it big time. A property this unique and full of character doesn't come around twice. I found this one for you. Now let's step inside. If you loved this off-grid retreat, drop a comment below. Type adventure if you'd camp out here. Hit like on this video, subscribe to the channel, and tap that bell so you don't miss the next hidden gem. See you in the next property.